Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a TNT tree trap that is very cool, and your friends will be amazed. Even the pros cannot spot this trap. Okay, so first of all, let's build the trap. So then you'll need an observer, a TNT, grass block just in case, and then like a diamond pickaxe for whatever reason. We're gonna be testing this out in survival. So then see, that's why. So then you'll just have to dig. Then you'll just have to dig 3x3, 3x3x3. Check if it's a 3x3x3 by you know what? Do it this. Check if it's a 3x3x3 by doing this. 1, 2, 3. That's good. Okay. Then you're under the tree, right? Right under the tree, put an observer facing down. You can check it by the arrow, and then get your TNT, fill it up by 2 layers. None more than that, because you have to fill the 3rd layer with the grass block. Okay, so I'm gonna explain what happens here. So then an observer is naturally supposed to, you know, just update a block when something has been updated. So you know the face here, I put a block, like in the face, and then it will send out just a tiny bit of redstone that will ignite all of the TNT. So then I'll go switch my game mode to survival, and then I'm gonna get my diamond pickaxe, and then you have to start from the bottom one. Only then this will work. So then your friends are hanging out on the server, and then you're saying, "Whoa, dude, can you mine that tree?" And then he's like, "Sure." And he's like, "Whoa, what's that?" Whoa! See? Oh, I set a respawn point. Whatever. Who gives? So yeah, that is how it works. So then, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys had a great day, and bye. Bye. Oh my god, he's coming to me.